Hello everyone, this is how you can steal your competitor's audience. So I'm going to show you how to steal the audience from a LinkedIn profile and then steal the audience from a company page. So just to be clear, what I mean by stealing is looking at who is interacting with this individual or that company and then extracting the one that could be our customers and contacting them. So of course, I'm not doing anything illegal towards Adam Robinson or Lemlist. It's just looking at all the interaction, filtering who might be, who might not be our customer, and then reaching out. So if I take Adam Robinson, for example, he posts on a daily basis. And as you can see here, 104 likes, 54 comments. So if I look at the likes, well, co-founder of SaaS, that's interesting. GTM engineer, that might be my customer as well. And so I'd love to have on a daily basis the people who interact with him because I know they are in my niche, interested by what Adam Robinson does. He has a company called RB2B. And so in my case, I know that his customers might be my customers. And so that's why I'm targeting them. And so if I take Lemlist, Lemlist is a bit of a competitor, not really, but kind of. And I know the customers of Lemlist might be my customers as well. And so 176 likes here. If I have a look, well, I have some very interesting people as well. So first, before going and looking at what's next, you have to identify who are the best individuals you want to target in your niche and who are the best companies that might have your customers. Once you have that, we're going to use Gojiberry AI. So there is a free version with a paywall, but it's absolutely free. You can cancel the trial anytime. And Gojiberry helps you find warm leads and book sales call. And so Gojiberry orchestrates AI agents. One agent is capable of looking at all the people interacting with an individual, and one agent is capable of looking at all the people interacting with a company page. And so if I go to Gojiberry here and I go to AI agent, well, I can configure different AI agents. One here is capable of looking at people engaging with trending content in my niche. So I can just click on add signal. And here I can paste the LinkedIn URL of Adam Robinson. So I've already done it. I think it's on this one. So if I click here, edit. So here I'm targeting other people. So these are the guys from Lemlist. So I just paste some LinkedIn links and I'll do exactly the same for competitor profile. I just paste some LinkedIn links. So I pasted Lemlist. So when I create my AI agent, it's two steps. Step number one, I define my ideal customer. So I'm looking for head of sales, founders, head of growth in France, for example. And then step number two, I'll define the signals. So people that interact with these keywords, people that interact with these influencers, and with this competitor. So for you to understand a bit better, Gojiberry, you define an ICP, you set the signals you want to track, and then in your lead list here, every day you'll get some new leads coming in automatically. So here, for example, this guy, he just engaged with a post about outreach. But if I go to filters, intent, competitor page URL, here I'm going to see all the people interacting with Lemlist. For example, Martin just engaged with a competitor. And so if I want, I can take all these people and create campaigns. So I'm running a lot of campaigns here. So you can start a campaign, decide who you want to target, then go to next step, select the LinkedIn account you want to use, and then send invitations, messages, and so on. And so if I have a look at my campaigns here, this is what it looks like. So this is my campaign for this one. I'm sending one invitation, then message number one, message number two. And if I have a look at insights, 53% of people accept my invitation and 46% reply, which is absolutely insane. Just because the campaign is so well targeted. I'm targeting people in my ICP, active on LinkedIn, plus they have intent. They are already looking at solutions. They are active, interacting with my competitors, and so on. If I want to send cold email, that's also possible. I can go to integration and integrate with Instantly, with Lemlist, with SmartLead, and any other tool. And so we also have other AI agents. We are capable of tracking people that change jobs, people that post a lot in our ICP. So instead of going after CEOs in France, in the SaaS industry, I'm looking for CEOs in France in the SaaS industry, active in the past 48 hours on LinkedIn, plus posting a lot. So that's the intent. Companies that have raised funds, people interacting about a specific keyword or subject, people visiting my profile, and also people interacting with my own company. So these are the signals we track. We'll soon be able to track way more, but that's already insane. And so every day I get new leads coming in my lead inbox. Just engage with a post about outreach. And one last thing I'd like to show you, if I go to intent competitor page URL, I can of course check which post it was. So for example, Victor is head of sales at this company. And if I click here, I have access to the LinkedIn post from LinkedIn. Well, that's how you can monitor on a daily basis who is interacting with your competitors or who is interacting with some specific individuals. I hope you like this video. This is the best way to create lead list, super targeted lead list. And if you want to try Goji Berry for 7 days, well, the trial is just below. Thank you so much.